Hello everyone, I am Felix Menezes and today onwards, almost 30 days, I am planning to have a series of questions so that you may not miss anything before going to your exams. Okay, so today we have come from the first chapter, that is chemical reaction and equations. Okay, so total 30 days, 30 videos, and hopefully you may watch it or else at least get what is important from that videos. Okay, just see how can you manage. If you can learn, well and good. If you can watch the video and learn, well and good. It's not a teaching video, it's a learning video. Okay, we have to learn while watching the video. I hope you have understood. So today what all we are going to do, we are going to do almost how many questions, let's see. 10, 11, 12, 13, yeah, just 12 questions. Okay, so 12 questions on the way. So this is a part of series that is called last 30 days. Okay, last 30 days what we are supposed to do, that series. Okay, so 30 days, keep in mind, 30 videos, and nothing is going to be left. Every inch of your textbook, every inch of your NCRT will be covered, but make sure that 30 days you having time to study. Okay, so let's start. So first chapter, chemical reactions and equations. Okay, this chapter is almost for 4 to 5 marks. So the question which may be asked from this chapter, okay, let's discuss. Why is magnesium, why should magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? If you want to burn it in air, why we have to clean it? Okay, simple question, and the answer also might be simple. So, so let's read it. Magnesium ribbon, when exposed to moist air, okay, a thin layer of magnesium oxide is formed on its surface. You can say there's already a magnesium oxide layer formed on its surface, which may not allow the magnesium to burn. Okay, therefore magnesium must be cleaned before we burning it. Okay, very simple, not that important question. You can also give it a 3 star. Okay, 3 star. Important question. Next question. Okay, what is corrosion? What do you mean by corrosion? Simple, like iron will get rust, like silver also will get black coating. That all things are called corrosion. Okay, so the process of slow eating, yeah, slow degrading of metals, slow eating or slow degrading of metals due to atmospheric gases such as oxygen, water vapor, carbon dioxide, etc., is known as corrosion. Very simple, very easy, and you have to remember the examples also. What are the examples, sir? Can you see here? When silver is exposed to air, atmospheric air, the black coating is formed. Okay. When copper reacts with moist carbon dioxide, green coating is formed. When iron reacts with moist air, okay, brown flaky coating is formed, and that is called rust, my dear students. These are three examples which you have to remember. Okay, so very easy and 4 stars question. बहुत अच्छा important question, 4 stars. Let's go to the next one. Please stop the video and learn the answer and then go for the next one. Okay. What is rancidity? Rancidity का मतलब क्या है सर? Rancidity क्या होता है सर? Okay. Oxidation of oils or fats which are present in the food is called rancidity. The oxidation of oils and fats which are present in the food. In Hindi, if I say khana sadna, okay, and how can we prevent it? By putting nitrogen in the while preserving the food, you can add antioxidants like nitrogen. Also keep the food in a tight container. The question is there ahead, but you should be knowing it. Okay, the smell will change. The smell change of bad smell, bad taste, it makes the food unsuitable for consumption. खाने के लिए अनसुटेबल होता है, एंड सच टाइप of process or such type of phenomena is called rancidity. Very simple answer, very simple question. Okay, let's go for the next one. You can stop the video, learn the answer, then come for the next one. Okay, don't directly come for the next one. 30 days, you just follow what I'm saying. Your science is going to be at least 75 plus. If I'm not promising you 80 out of 80, okay? Yeah, let's go for the next one. Why is respiration considered exothermic? Exothermic, my dear friends, you should be knowing the definition of exothermic. Okay, so why it is considered exothermic? Simple, because energy is released in respiration reaction. The energy is evolved, and because of which we consider it to be a exothermic reaction. Okay, this is what answer you can write. Doesn't matter what is written in my notes, but you write it in simple words. In respiration reaction, energy is evolved, okay, and therefore you consider it to be exothermic reaction. Please try to also learn the reaction. It may be used in chemistry also, it may be used in biology also, so make sure you may learn it. Glucose C6H12O6 plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Okay? Question might come, what is respiration? Explain. So you can use this reaction to explain. So make sure you're learning the reaction as well. Yeah, let's go for the next one. How can we prevent the food from getting rancid? Yeah, simple. How can we prevent the food from getting rancid? Keep it in tight containers. Keep the food in tight containers by adding antioxidants such as nitrogen. We have learned, okay, nitrogen we can put in food, that is antioxidant, by replacing the air inside the container with nitrogen. That's same what it is written. Also we can say by keeping the food in deep freezer. Also you can say by just eating the food. Just joking, okay. Let's go for the next one. Oil and fat containing food items are flushed with nitrogen. Why are they flushed with nitrogen? Because it is an antioxidant. It will not allow oxygen to react with food. Oxygen and food will not get reacted. And therefore, there will be no reaction, there will be no oxidation, and therefore the food will be thick talk for a longer period of time. Okay? Simple. Learn it and then go ahead. Okay, don't simply come along with me. You can stop the video, learn the answer, come ahead. Stop the video, learn the answer, come ahead. Out of thousands of overwatching, I am sure at least if one improves, that's more than enough for my efforts. What is exothermic reaction? Exothermic reaction का मतलब क्या होता है? A reaction in which heat is evolved. We have learned above. A reaction in which releases heat. Heat is released along with the formation of products. Heat is released more than enough. Heat is released, okay. The reaction in which heat is released is called exothermic reaction. Example, you have learnt respiration. One example more than enough. What is oxidation reaction? Oxidation reaction का मतलब oxidation मतलब addition of oxygen is called oxidation reaction. Can you see here? Here see, in this reaction oxygen is added. Can you see here? Yeah. Next. What is reduction reaction? Reduction reaction क्या होता है सर? Reduction reaction opposite of your oxidation reaction. It is minus of oxygen. There we have learned addition of oxygen, here removal of oxygen, loss of oxygen or gain of hydrogen. Even in oxidation बच्चे एक हो सकता है कि addition of oxygen, okay, and also it can be addition of oxygen as well as removal of hydrogen. It is possible. You can say addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen, and here you can say addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen. Okay, that is called reduction reaction. So make sure ऊपर से you have to go through and also learn the examples. What is redox reaction? Redox reaction बच्चों बहुत सिंपल होता है. Redox reaction मतलब where both oxidation and reduction is taking place simultaneously. Simultaneously is very important word in this, in a single reaction. Can you see here there is reduction happening? Can you see here there is oxidation happening? So both has to happen simultaneously. Okay, then only it is called oxidation reaction. Learn this reaction. Retta, it is very important question. Retta 5. Okay, next. Define combination reaction, define displacement, define double displacement reaction, and decomposition reaction. Combination, when two products are combining, Okay, when two products are combining to form one single, sorry, when two reactants are combining to form one single product. Okay, two reactants are reacting to form a single product is called combination reaction. Can you see here the same dots which I've drawn and the same reaction which is given in the first example. Next, displacement reaction. High reactive element will displace the low reactive element. High reactive, जैसे कि aluminum is highly reactive than iron. Therefore, aluminum came here and iron is removed out. Okay, that is called displacement reaction. Very simple, very easy. Let's go ahead. What is decomposition reaction? Decomposition reaction, a single substance decomposes to give two or more substances. Okay. Examples are given in the next chapter, in the next question. Examples, sir. Decomposition will take in the presence of heat, in the presence of sunlight, as well as in the presence of electricity. There are three types of decompositions. One is presence of heat, presence of sunlight, and presence of electricity. Calcium carbonate, when you heat it, it will become calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Rectify. Don't try to understand the reactions. Okay, silver chloride, when you expose it to sunlight, it will become silver plus chlorine. Water in the presence of electricity will give hydrogen gas plus oxygen gas. And last question of the day, why should we balance a chemical equation? Why should we balance? To follow law of conservation of mass. Mass. Okay, what does law of conservation of mass states? Law of conservation of mass states that mass can neither be created nor it can be destroyed. Okay, so we have to balance a chemical equation. I hope you have understood. Okay, a chemical equation is balanced so that the number of atoms of each type involved in a chemical reaction are as same on the reactant and the product side of the equation. The equation must be balanced. Okay, in my opinion, the answer is still incorrect, or you can say not complete. You can say to just follow the law of conservation of mass. Once more revision, chemical reactions equation. Okay, starting with a 30 days challenge. 30 days challenge mein first question we have learned, why is magnesium ribbon burnt? Why is magnesium ribbon cleaned before burning? You should know magnesium oxide layer is formed on its surface. Okay. Second, we have learned what is corrosion, slow degrading of metal. Examples you have to learn. Next, what is rancidity? You should know rancidity matlab oxidation of oils and fats that is present in the food. Fourth, why is respiration considered exothermic? Simple answer, because heat is evolved. Next, how can we prevent food? By adding antioxidants, by keeping the food in tight containers. Oil and fat containing foods are flushed with nitrogen because they are antioxidant. It will not allow the food to get oxidized. What is exothermic reaction? This reaction in which heat is released. Next, oxidation, addition of oxygen. Reduction, removal of oxygen. Redox, where both are happening simultaneously. Combination, when two reactants combine to form one product. Displacement, a higher reactive element will displace the lower reactive element. Decomposition, a single substance is decomposed to form two or more products. Okay, decomposition, here we are having three. Thermal decomposition, okay, that is called heat से, जो होता है ना heat से, is called thermal decomposition. जिससे यहाँ पर दिया है, देखो यहाँ पर दिया है, दिख रहा है, आई होप दिख रहा है, नोट्स में आपको मिलेगा, नोट्स जस्ट कॉन्टेक्ट मी. Thermal decomposition, calcium carbonate, and in the presence of heat, thermal मतलब heat, calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. सन के साथ होता है उसको फोटोकेमिकल बोलना है, फोटोकेमिकल डिकम्पोजिशन. Directly definition may come, what is photochemical decomposition, explain with an example. So please learn them. Okay, also is electrolysis, electrodecomposition. Yeah, you can say decomposition in the presence of electricity, that is water, pani ka. And last question, why should we balance a chemical equation? Simple answer tha, just to follow the law of chemical, so the law of conservation of mass. आई होप आपको समझ में आया. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट कौन सा होता है सर? यही होता है नाइट्रोजन पैकेट का. ओके, पिछले साल का क्वेश्चन है. मार्केट एंड टेक. Okay, that you can mark and take. Just I'll tell you what stars you have to mark and take. What is rancidity? 2 stars. Why is respiration considered exothermic? 3 star. How can we prevent food from getting rancid? Okay, 2 star. Oil containing fat. Okay, ये वाला oil containing food items flushed with nitrogen. Just mark it and take 4 star. What is exothermic reaction? Give example. Exothermic 2 star. Oxidation 2 star. Reduction 2 star. Redox 3 star. Combination 3 star. Then here decomposition 3 star, and last